Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, welcome to the stock Indice week in review, and I'll start off with the overall view of the dollar. And as you can see here, overall dollar has declined back down to its support level, well below the 200. And if it continues past this overall fractal here, we could see some more price action to the downside. Natural gas is following suit. Overall price decline in natural gas. Overall target down here to the 200. Same with oil. What we have here is your standard collapsing dragon. Overall price action to the downside. And it is crowded long to the long side, so we still have a lot more price action to the downside. 20-year is rebounding. Has been up on an uptrend since the 2nd of November. Same with the 2-year, 5-year, and the 10-year, which is crowded short to the short side at 70% and 55%. Looking at the Russell, which is also crowded short, it's up against some major resistance here. We have the RL270, we have a point figure, we have point figure target resistance level along with the 200, Z3 excursion. Once and if it breaks up there, we will be going a lot higher at this point, potentially up to the 1960 level. Gold as well, also breaking to the upside ever since the 14th of November. Nice price target here at the Z3 and this point figure. Pretty much up to the 2060 level. Same with the S&P 500, it's kind of plateauing here up against the resistance here. We have 2 point figure resistance zones. NASDAQ as well. Nice price target of 16,384 next on its commitment to traders. Dow also crowded short, so pretty much to the upside overall for all the markets. We have a nice price target here for the Dow of 36,220 to the upside. It's looking to break that here with this close above the point figure target. Looking at silver, wonderful pre-market reversal, $680. Vito for the week, nice $360 gain. Thank you, loss of $320. Bull Z, beautiful gains here, $3,430. Copper, wonderful gain of $600. Cure, wonderful gains of $1,400. Defense as well, wonderful gains of $700. DPST, loss of $210. Drip, also a loss. It's kind of sporadic consolidation of $419. DRN, a loss of $60. Doug, loss of $450 on this pre-market reversal. Same with ERY, pretty much the same thing. $960 loss on that Wednesday. Pearl, nice gain of $395. FLYU, overall gain of $44. FNGU, biggest gainer here overall, especially on Monday. We had a gain for the week of 10K. GDXU, overall loss of $430. Hibble, overall gain of $350. JNUG, with this overall loss here, had an overall gain of $40. Cold, loss of $814 for the week. LabU, loss of $30. Voodoo, wonderful gain on Friday, made up for the loss on Tuesday, $580 for the week. Nail, $280 gain. Nugget, $530 gain. Retail, $180 gain. SCO, overall loss on Wednesday with this pre-market reversal, $1,040. SOXL, wonderful gain, $360. SPXL, gains throughout the entire week, $2,410. Wonderful gains for the S&P. SVIXI, getting a little high here, but overall gain with this loss here of $10, pretty much break even. TechAl, overall gain of $1,310. TMF, loss of $27. TNA, loss of $220. TPOR, wonderful gain of $1,270. TQQQ, wonderful gain here, and a give back here on this day, and then a pre-market reversal loss here. Overall gain for the week of $1,180. TYD, loss of $160. UBOT, loss of $40. UBT, loss of $70. UDOW going long, had a couple of breaks here with losses. Overall gain for the week, especially making up on Friday, $240. UGL, overall loss of $110. UPRO, like SPXL, nice gains for the week, $1,260. URTY, That's a gain on Monday, loss on Tuesday, and then another gain on Friday. For the overall week, $360 for URTY. UTSL, which is your daily utilities, nice gains for the week, $570. Want, nice gains on Monday and Tuesday, loss on Wednesday. Overall gains for the week, $780. And WebL, nice overall gains for the week, $610. Looking at oil, that's a nice price action to the downside. Also crowded long on the commitment of traders here. So going for these short oil trades, I did get hit pretty hard with this overall retraction, but price seems to be moving to the downside with this potential collapsing dragon. Looking at the overall international markets, Japan keeps going up, along with China continuing to consolidate down. Europe still moving up, and the UK consolidating right now, right below the RL270. Looking at the Magnificent Seven, NVIDIA after earnings looks to move to the downside as Tesla continues to consolidate here overall. Looking at the most important thing here is in terms of yields, continuing to go down and did a spike up on Friday, however hit the RL270, so it may have some more price action to the downside. We'll see on the long end. Bitcoin down right now. Everything's consolidating on that ETF and waiting word for the approval. Looking at the VIX, we're at some very low points here as far as the VIX goes. And we do have major support here, the 9 level. We'll see if we'll make it down to that before it goes up, but right now the overall trend is to the downside. Looking at the overall week, we had wonderful gains on Monday and Tuesday. Day before Thanksgiving was a huge drawdown, and then on after Thanksgiving on Black Friday was some nice gains. So something to consider in terms of trading, well, futures, FOREX, and the stock indices is that during periods of low liquidity or low volume, you might want to just not trade during those time periods, a day before the holiday or during the holiday. Overall gains, 1,000 shares each, was 24K. Well, that's all I have for the stock indice week in review. We're currently conducting both a foundations course and intermediate course, and we do programming in both PineScript or Python and auto trading. If you're interested, click on the links below. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Monday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.